Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for pet lovers on the go. The best Tekeft car window pet gate. If you're looking for a way to keep your furry friends safe while enjoying fresh air during car rides, this might just be the solution for you. The best Tekeft car window pet gate is designed to fit most vehicles, from compact cars to trucks and SUVs. Its telescopic fence design allows you to expand it to the size of your window, ensuring a snug fit that effectively prevents your pet from leaning out while still providing ventilation. This is not just about convenience, it's about safety. You're on a road trip, the sun is shining, and the windows are down. Your dog loves to feel the breeze, but you're worried about their safety. That's where this pet gate shines. It secures the window opening while allowing for airflow, so your pet can enjoy the ride without the risk of jumping out or putting their head too far outside. Installation is a breeze. No tools are required. The gate features slits at the top and bottom that securely grip the car window frame, ensuring it stays in place during your travels. Simply expand it, place it in the window, and you're ready to hit the road. When you're done using it, the gate easily folds flat for compact storage. This makes it perfect for those spontaneous trips or outdoor adventures when you want to take your pet along but don't want the hassle of bulky equipment. One of the standout features of the best Tekeft car window pet gate is its lightweight and durable design. Made from high-quality mesh, it's built to withstand the rigors of pet travel. Plus, the mesh allows you to keep an eye on your pet while they enjoy their own view of the world outside. But it's not just about the functionality. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending in with your car's interior. It's a practical solution that doesn't compromise on aesthetics. So whether you're heading to the park, embarking on a weekend getaway, or just running errands, the best Tekeft car window pet gate is an essential accessory for any pet owner. It ensures your pet's safety while letting them enjoy the ride alongside you. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a pet safety solution that's both effective and easy to use, the best Tekeft car window pet gate should be at the top of your list. Make your car trips safer and more enjoyable for you and your furry friends. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Drive safely, and give your pets a happy ride.